When a liquid turns supercritical, the line or meniscus separating the liquid from the gas just kind of disappears. So if there was a boat floating on the surface of the liquid, what would happen to the boat? Would it stay where it was, or float to the top, or sink to the bottom? Well, let's see. So to start off, we need some CO2. When it's solid, we call this dry ice. So I'll just grab some chunks of dry ice and put it in the vessel. Now I'll tighten these bolts and then close the valve. As soon as the pressure increases, the dry ice stops turning from a solid directly into a gas. Oh, there it goes. But it can now turn into a liquid. So now we've got liquid CO2 in here. And I'm gonna add this half sphere of styrofoam to act as our boat floating in the liquid. I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit, see what it looks like. Whoa. It's like disappearing, look. The line's disappearing. Okay, the line is literally going away. You can still see it disrupt the background though in this shot. So there's still slight meniscus there. But it's going away. Whoa, and it's kind of rising up above the surface of the styrofoam. Oh, the styrofoam sunk. Over 1,000 PSI now. And the styrofoam is at the bottom. It's all supercritical. There's no meniscus whatsoever. If I pick up the vessel and move it around, you can see that there isn't two states in here anymore. It's just one state that's a little viscous, and the styrofoam can just fall through it slowly. So in the end, the boat ended up sinking because it was more dense than the ending supercritical fluid was. Okay, now let's let it cool down a bit, and it should revert from its supercritical state into a liquid with gas above it again. And I think the styrofoam should float once again. Okay, I'm gonna put an ice cube on top. Oh, it disappears from view, gone. Oh, there it is. I saw it start to float. And it's back on top. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna release the pressure. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. So there we go. Now we know that boats sink in supercritical fluids. So next time you're on a lake that suddenly turns supercritical, be sure to get to shore quickly. For more practical tips like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you next time.